Good evening, students. Students, here you can see a picture, and the person in this picture is Mao Zedong. He was the chairman of the CCP, Communist Party of China. And student, in the another picture, you can see Chiang Kai shek, who was the chairman of the national government of the Republic of China. Student, the similarity between the two picture here is that both person were the chairman, but the difference is that the first Mao Zedong was the chairman of the Communist Party of China, whereas the Chiang Kai shek he was the chairman of the national government of the Republic of China after the death of Sun Yat sen. It means I can say that both were competitors, both wanted to establish their rule in China, both were fighting for this, and Mao Zedong was the one who emerged as a CCP leader and who finally controlled the situation of China, especially when the Japan he invaded China in 1937. That time जो Chiang Kai shek थे, he did nothing against the Japanese, but Mao Zedong he finally controlled the situation, and he built up the strategy of bringing about the socialist revolution with the help of peasantry. It means student जो Chiang Kai shek's government थी, which was mainly associated with the big landlords, merchant, and the banker. On the same hand, Mao Zedong was in the favor of peasants. So, student, a civil war, a Chinese civil war, began, and it began in 1927 between the Chiang Kai shek and the Mao Zedong. It means between the party KMT and the Chinese Communist Party or the Communist Party of China. And student, after this, when the Mao Zedong finally the CCP party won, Maoism spread, Maoवाद आने लगा चाइना में. स्पेशली स्टूडेंट आई वांट टू टेल यू जो ये सीसीपी पार्टी है चाइनीज कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी इट वाज एस्टैब्लिश इन 1921 आफ्टर द रशियन रेवोल्यूशन. बट द मेन टर्निंग पॉइंट वाज व्हेन जापान invaded China. Student, when Japan invaded China in 1937, the KMT party, it means the Chiang Kai shek's party, they retreated. वो पीछे हट गए. इट मीन्स द चियांग काई शेक आर्मी लॉन्च ऑपरेशन अगेंस्ट द कम्युनिस्ट स्ट्रॉन्ग होल्ड बट नॉट अगेंस्ट द जापानीज. उन्होंने जापान के अगेंस्ट कुछ नहीं किया. इवन उन्होंने किसके अगेंस्ट किया? माओ जेडोंग के अगेंस्ट किया. दैट टाइम द मेन फोकस वॉज अगेंस्ट द जापान ना, बिकॉज जापान इन्वेडेड चाइना. बट उन्होंने कहा हमें जापान से लेना देना नहीं है, हमारा तो मेन फोकस क्या है? माओ जेडोंग. बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं जो उनकी इमेज है वो एक आम जनता के बीच में बनती जा रही है और कहीं हम इलेक्शंस आगे जाकर हार ना जाए. इस वजह से उनकी जो आर्मी थी दे लॉन्च ऑपरेशन अगेंस्ट द कम्युनिस्ट स्ट्रॉन्ग होल्ड्स एंड माओ जेडोंग वॉज द मेन कम्युनिस्ट. नाउ यू विल आस्क व्हाट इज कम्युनिस्ट. बच्चे, कम्युनिस्ट इट इज अ ideology whose ultimate goal is the establishment of the common society, a social economic order that was based on the common ownership of the means of production and the absence of class, the absence of state. तो कहीं ना कहीं देखो ना, माओ जेडोंग जो थे he was in the favor of farmers, and he advocated the view that in China the peasantry was the main revolutionary force. So he built up the strategy of bringing about the socialist revolution with the help of peasant. इट मीन्स कम्युनिज्म को उन्होंने प्रमोट किया लेकिन KMT ने नहीं किया. अब बचे, when the Japan invaded China, that time the situation of the China was worse because on the one hand China was facing the natural calamities like flood, and on the other hand the economic condition of China it's began falling. Prices rose 30%, which destroyed the life of the ordinary person. And the main person who emerged as a hero was the Mao Zedong, who was the chairman of the Chinese Communist Party. And student, that time Chiang Kai shek he launched an attack on the communist held areas, especially in the southern China, with the help of a million strong army. And the communists they were forced to give up their base And student, about 1 lakh communists, they moved to Yan'an in the northern western China. It means जो KMT पार्टी थी, चियांग काई शेक, उन्होंने कम्युनिस्ट एरिया पे अटैक किया और उन्होंने कहा कि ये एरिया हमें खाली चाहिए. एंड स्टूडेंट, दे वर फोर्स टू गिव अप देयर बेस, मतलब वहाँ से हटाकर कहीं और उनको शिफ्ट किया गया. अबाउट 1 lakh communists, they moved to Yan'an in the northern western China from the South China. And student, this movement is also known as the Long March, in which they covered the distance of about 6,000 miles kilometer, added to a nationwide popularity of the communist. So student, during the Long March, they seized the lands of the landlords, distributed them among the peasants, thus continuously strengthening the support for themselves against the Chiang Kai-shek government, which was mainly considered the government of big landlords, merchant and bankers. कहीं ना कहीं जो ऑडियंस थी, जो आम जनता थी, उनके बीच में माओ जेडोंग के लिए एक पैशन बढ़ने लगा, क्योंकि बच्चे उन्होंने अपना जो बेस था साउथ चाइना, उसको छोड़कर वो येनान आ गए नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न चाइना में, 6,000 माइल्स किलोमीटर दूर, जैसे हम लॉन्ग मार्च बोल रहे हैं. और इसके बीच में भी उन्होंने क्या किया, ड्यूरिंग द लॉन्ग मार्च दे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड द लैंड ऑफ द लैंडलॉर्ड्स अमंग द पीजेंट. उन्होंने जो बड़े बड़े लैंडलॉर्ड्स थे उनकी ज़मीनें सीज की और इसको किसको दे दिया, पीजेंट को दे दिया. इट मीन्स समवेयर द पीजेंट क्लास, दे वर द सपोर्टर्स ऑफ द माओ जेडोंग, एंड माओ जेडोंग्स पॉपुलैरिटी was increasing day by day in China. And student, in 1937, as I told you, that the massive Japanese invasion of China began. As a result, the Chinese, they start boycotting the Japanese products also. So that time the army of Chiang Kai-shek, they were retreated somewhere in the face of Chinese attack. And the government, they moved from Nanking to Chongqing. उन्होंने जापान के अगेंस्ट कुछ नहीं किया. इवन उनकी जो गवर्नमेंट थी, दे मूव फ्रॉम नैंकिंग टू चंकिंग. एंड स्टूडेंट, दिस वाज द टाइम व्हेन माओ जेडोंग फाइनली कैप्चर्ड द माइंड ऑफ China. And student, in December 1936, a dramatic incident had taken place. Chiang Kai-shek, he finally sent his troops to fight against the communists. And student, his troops arrested him and released him only when he agreed to end the civil war and form a joint front with the communists to fight against the Japanese. It means उसके खुद के सोल्जर्स, उसके खुद की ट्रूप्स जो हैं उसके फेवर में नहीं रही और उसे अरेस्ट कर लिया गया, चियांग काई शेक को. एंड फाइनली स्टूडेंट, ये जो ओवरऑल मैटर है चाइनीज़ सिविल वॉर का, वो थोड़ा सा सिचुएशन जो है इसकी कंट्रोल में आई. So student, this was the topic, the rise of Communist Party of China. It means the Mao Zedong's party. And students, especially I want to tell you one thing, that Mao Zedong's radical approach, it can be seen in Jiangxi also, where they campaigned from 1928 to 1934, secure from the KMT attack. And student, Mao Zedong also did for the women, especially the marriage law and the awareness of the women's right. They always promoted it. So the Mao Zedongs were in the favor of common person, whereas the KMT was in the favor of landlords, merchant and bankers. So a civil war began in 1927 and finally won by the Mao Zedong. And Mao Zedong finally took control of the situation, as well as they finally won the love and the support of the people of the China. So the rise of the Communist Party of China, I can say it was established in 1921, but it came into popularity when they start working for the peasant, for the women. Student, I hope this topic is clear to you. And if you have any doubt, you can call me. In the next topic, we will study about the establishment of the new government, 1949. Thank you, students.